Hi, I'm John Chan, the Senior Lab Manager here at Reviewed, and today we're going to be reviewing the GE GDE25EYKFS. So we tested the fingerprint resistant stainless steel version. So as you can see, as I run my fingers along it, no marks. This means it's a lot easier to clean and it's always presentable. So the first thing you'll notice when you first open this fridge is just how spacious the interior is. A lot of fridges often have things like ice makers or water dispensers that are in the way that are just taking up room for your food. And in this case, you'll notice everything's wide open. Another thing that we like about this fridge is just how consistent its internal temperature is. During testing, this fridge stayed at around 36.7 degrees, so just 0.3 degrees off of what we set it to. And it stayed that way, deviating no more than 1 degree in either direction for over a week. This kind of consistency means that your food's gonna stay fresher longer, and your produce is gonna wilt less. One of the reasons why this fridge is able to maintain such consistent temperatures is a feature called TurboCool. TurboCool essentially revs up the fridge's compressors, allowing them to run on their maximum setting for up to 8 hours. During testing, we also found the consistency extended to the freezer. We found that the temperature did not deviate more than 1.5 degrees in either direction, which helps prevent freezer burn. Alongside great temperature performance, this fridge also has a lot of simple but really useful features. For example, this sliding snack drawer. Let's say, for example, I wanted to move this milk. I can't actually quite fit it here, so guess what? I'm just gonna slide it over. Another feature that we like is the LED lights on top, which provide consistent lighting throughout the fridge. And these LEDs are longer lasting than your traditional incandescent bulbs that a lot of entry-level fridges have. While there's plenty to love about this fridge, there's a few things that we think could be improved, mainly the crisper drawers. Now, the crispers only have these sliders to control the humidity, so they rely almost entirely on the fridge's consistency to keep your vegetables fresh. So newer fridges have things like ethylene absorbing packets in the crisper drawer that extend the life of your produce. However, this fridge's crispers are still better than your average entry-level fridge. Well, we can't talk about our favorite bottom freezer without showing you the freezer. This freezer is really designed to keep you organized and keep things from getting mushed together. So it has plenty of compartments for pizza, for your frozen vegetables, for your meat. Keeping them separated allows you to keep organized so nothing gets lost in here forever. Overall, the pros are its temperatures are spot on and remarkably steady. It features a lot of usable storage for a bottom freezer, and it has helpful extra features. While the cons are, its crisper drawers are just okay. So should you buy the GE GDE25EYKFS? We think so. A lot of bottom freezers in the past have been sort of really budget models. They weren't really good performers. They were essentially top freezers that were flipped around. But this one actually pays attention to a lot of the smaller details, and it has great performance. So overall, we think it is a great buy for someone who wants that bottom freezer aesthetic, but also wants the performance that is found in much higher end fridges. And if you can find this fridge on sale for around $1,300, we think that's a steal. For the full review of this fridge and many others, head over to reviewed.com.